Every time you fly on a modern airplane, there is a high chance it was built by Boeing or Airbus. And here is the surprising part. These two companies control over 90% of global aircraft deliveries. So this is not a normal competition. It is a duopoly. And in this duopoly, the winner is not decided by innovation. It is decided by execution. At its core, the commercial aircraft industry is extremely concentrated. There are only two real global players, Boeing in the United States and Airbus in Europe. If an airline wants large passenger aircraft, it almost always chooses between these two. This structure has existed for decades, not because demand is low, but because entering this industry is incredibly difficult. It requires massive capital, advanced engineering, and strict safety certification. As a result, very few companies can compete at this level, leaving Boeing and Airbus to dominate the market. Now here is where things get interesting. In most industries, companies compete by building better products. But here, both companies already build excellent aircraft. Airbus has the A320neo, and Boeing has the 737 MAX. Both are efficient, reliable, and widely used. So airlines are not really asking which plane is better. They are asking something much more practical. Who can deliver on time? To understand why this matters, we need to look at the scale. Both companies have massive order backlogs, each with more than 5,000 aircraft on order. That represents many years of production. So demand is not the problem. Airlines already want the planes. The real challenge is turning those orders into actual deliveries, and doing so consistently. And this is where execution becomes everything. Building an airplane is one of the most complex manufacturing processes in the world. Each aircraft contains millions of parts, sourced from a global network of hundreds of suppliers. Engines come from specialized companies like CFM International or Rolls-Royce, avionics from electronic suppliers like Honeywell and Collins Aerospace, and major structures from partners such as Spirit AeroSystems. And beyond these major players, hundreds of smaller suppliers provide thousands of critical components, many of which travel across continents before a single aircraft is completed. This means Boeing and Airbus are not just manufacturers. They are managing a highly complex global supply chain that has to work smoothly every day. Now here is the key challenge. In a system this complex, even small problems can have large consequences. If just one supplier is delayed, the entire aircraft is delayed. A late engine can hold up final assembly, and a missing component can leave a nearly finished aircraft sitting on the ground, waiting. If one part has a quality issue, production can slow down or even stop, and in some cases, trigger inspections across multiple planes, affecting the entire production line. This has played out in recent years. Boeing has faced production disruptions, supplier delays, and quality issues that have slowed output. Airbus has also dealt with supply chain pressure, but it has generally handled these challenges more consistently and kept production on a steadier path. And the results are clear. In 2025, Airbus delivered around 793 aircraft, while Boeing delivered about 600. That difference is not about demand. Both companies have thousands of orders. The difference is execution. When you step back, a clear pattern emerges. This is not a battle for customers, and it is not really a battle for better products. Both companies already have strong positions, and market share is largely decided. What they are really competing on is execution. It is a battle to manage complexity, coordinate suppliers, maintain quality, and deliver on time at scale. In this industry, execution is not just important, it is the strategy. Because in a duopoly like this, you do not win by being the smartest. You win by being the most reliable. And in the end, the company that executes better wins.